Gates open, we have Suerte na. Buenas pa. Break quickly restart. Running by the rail second is a Vagabond Blues. They traveled. It's Suerte na. Buenas pa. Enjoying a 4 lengths lead. And in second is a Vagabond Blues. Last 600 meters of the race, it's Suerte na. Buenas pa. By only a length, then moving up on the outside is a Vagabond Blues. And they are now entering the home stretch. And into the home stretch, it's Suerte na Buenas pa. Moving up by the rail now is a Vagabond Blues as they swing for home. Suerte na Buenas pa. Vagabond Blues is down on the inside. Last 100 meters, it's Suerte na Buenas pa. Vagabond Blues is running by the rail. Vagabond Blues, Suerte na Buenas pa. And finally, it's Vagabond Blues. Suerte na Buenas pa.